So Clive, tell us a little bit about your discussion in the keynote theatre at 360 Degrees IT.
I'll be heading up a panel session where we'll be looking at whether IT is just there for survival or whether it's a real investment opportunity for business looking forward as we're coming out of recession and seeing where we can be taking it and making the most out of the IT assets that we've already got and the new architectures that are coming through.
And do you anticipate there being any controversy in the discussion? Do you anticipate there being any interesting questions that might come up from the audience?
I think there'll be interesting questions from the audience. I think on the whole, the panel will agree that IT can be used as an investment. But I think what we've seen in the press and what we've seen through so many end users is that they tend to get constrained by IT rather than making the most of it. The business is not involved in the actual decisions that are made in IT, and IT isn't involved in the decisions that are made by the business. So I think we'll find something from the floor being asked around that.
Brilliant. And what are your plans whilst you're at the show then?
My plans are to meet as many people as possible, talk to as many end users and find out what they're doing, what their plans are, what their spending plans are like, whether they've been hit hard through, whether they will be able to invest, what areas they're looking to invest in, and also meeting up with as many of the vendors as possible and finding out whether their views match what I'm hearing from the end users.
And what are you most looking forward to whilst you're at 360 Degrees IT?
I think the new format and the new show looks really exciting. I think that this will be a really good environment, not only to look at some of the old areas that used to be covered, but now looking at the whole of the IT environment, looking at how everything hangs together, and to see from some of the presentations that I've seen down on the list how people are going to be looking at IT in the round rather than just IT as technology.